Hello there, Lynn Huber here. Today I'm here to talk to you about Campaign 6. What's hot in Campaign 6? Gosh, this is the biannual save 65% off sale of the year at Avon. So if you're a bargain hunter or you like sales, you're going to love this brochure. Everything is on sale. So one thing I want to point out, there's pages and pages of sale items in here. Clearance items mostly, but here's one in the clearance. Look, does this look familiar? I have it on. This is one of my favorite all-time shirts ever. It's just so flowy. It's bright and colorful, and it's lined, so it has like a shirt underneath it, so you can't see through it. But just makes me feel so feminine, and I just love it. And here it is in the brochure. I paid $34.99 for it. Right now, it's on clearance at $19.99. Every person that I've sold these shirts to loves them. I don't know if I can show you. If I can show you, it's just beautiful. And see, it is lined. It has like a whatever you call tank top underneath, and it's all one piece. But I just love that shirt. So if we go through this brochure, there's sales on every page. But some of the ones I just want to point out to you is our kids' products are on sale. 2 for $11.99. Kids are loving these products. They're safe. They're no parabens, no harsh soaps, no tears, hypoallergenic. These are perfect for your kids, and they're not going to cause any problems. And then we have our Crave lip gloss. The Crave is all the rave. It was announced last campaign, and they were 5 for $20. I think they were last campaign. But they're on sale here for $3.99, so they're still on sale. You can still get them. There's 12 different flavors. We have some amazing flavors like strawberry glaze and cherry creamsicle and French toast and birthday cake and salted caramel and peach Bellini. This is the hot new thing. They are scented, they have the taste, and they look great on your lips. I want to point out a wow deal. This is our Rare Pearls. This campaign, only $9.99. This is regular $23, so you're saving $13. So if you're a Rare Pearls person, you definitely want to take a look at that. And we still have the Cool Classic Collection, the iconic boot. This is black suede, and I do have that one here. Check that out. It's a full 5 ounces. Most of the black suede are in the regular bottles are 3.4 ounces, I believe. It's $20. This is a perfect gift for the man in your life. And it's our #1 best-selling fragrance for men. So keep that in mind. And then we get to our new Skin Invincible. All of the new products are on sale this campaign, but the Skin Invincible is one of my favorites for most everyone because it works for everyone. It has a 50 SPF. So even if you're a man, a lot of men love this because it's not going to leave them scented, make them smell like a woman. It's got that 50 SPF. They're not wearing makeup, so they need something to protect their skin because even if you're macho and rough and tough, the sun still causes problems, right? And so this right here, this SPF 50, this is Richard's favorite. He uses it every day. And then we have the Deep Recovery Cream that you can use at night to take care of any sun damage you get and help your skin recover. It diminishes the look of lines and wrinkles and sunspots, so it's great. And these are only $19.99 this campaign. What a deal. In fact, while we're on that page, this Power Serum is only $22.99. That's a $40 value. So there's so much. There's pages and pages in this book of products that are on sale. Here is another wow deal. This is a glittery earring pack. Each set, $7.99, comes in gold or silver tone, and it's got a hoop, a 1-inch drop, and studs. So pretty much for anything you need it for, only $7.99. And then our candles, our brand new, newest candles are on sale, 2 for $24. These are really popular. I am selling these like crazy. My customers love them. I have one customer that I don't know how she's going through so many. She has them burning in every room in her house. But these are just really popular. These are 3-wick, 11-ounce candle. They give you 30 hours of burn time. And they have, you know, energy and reflection and harmony and relax and zen. Great deal. But the hottest deal, I think, this campaign is our Aspira sale. You know, Aspira has never once been on sale. In the whole time that we've had Aspira, it's never been on sale. And right now, they have the Boost system. It's normally $126, and it's only $99. And this is right here is the shake. So let me tell you about this shake. I mean, this is a plant protein. It's vegan. It is 21 grams of protein, 120 calories, non-GMO, gluten-free, soy-free. I mean, this is perfect. It's only 120 calories. You know, you can take this. I actually put a scoop of this in water, and it's pretty amazing. One scoop is a serving size, and just all by itself in water is perfectly fine for me. But when I really want to make it wonderful, I put in some peanut butter or some banana and ice, and I put it in the blender, and it's just amazing. So we have this in chocolate and vanilla, and this is basically 15 servings. So this would be half a month, and that's why the Boost system comes with two. You get a vanilla and a chocolate, and you get the Ideal Cleanse, which is a 3-day, really, really natural cleanse. It's not going to make you don't have to be near the bathroom or anything. It just kind of cleans your system out. And then we have the Hunger Block, and we have the Metabolism Boost, and then 2 of the shakes. It's $126 for $99. It's an incredible deal. I just can't believe this. And then the last thing I have here, well, almost the last thing, backed by popular demand is our ultra luxury eyeliners, the ones that you sharpen like a pencil. I can't tell you how many times I've had people ask me, when is Avon going to bring these back? They're back, and they're only $1.99. So they are in this campaign, ready to go, back for $1.99. So this is our sale for Campaign 6 brochure. I just want to show you a sneak peek, though, while I'm here. This is a brand new Ultimate Supreme Dual Elixir. Check that out. It has 2 chambers in it. One chamber is a unique and superior serum that has Tahitian black pearl extract to enhance your moisture, and the other side is an oil, and it's a luxurious blend of precious oils known for their skin smoothing and firming benefits. This is amazing. This is taking the whole world by storm. I mean, Avon is becoming like the hot thing everybody's talking about. It has 2 little holes there. They're each in a separate chamber, so when you pour this out, they both come out. I don't know if you can see that. So they both come out together, and you put that on your face. It's just amazing. It smells nice, and I've been using this morning and night just for a couple of days right now, but I love this. This is going to be out in Campaign 7, so watch for this. And if you go on our website, there's actually, and you pull up this product page, I'll put a link below this video, but if you pull up this product page, there's a place where you can say notify me as soon as it's in, and then Avon will offer you some special deals. So really excited about that. But for right now, that's all I have for Campaign 6. Like I said, the sale of the century. Don't miss out. Check out the book, take a look through it, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks. Have a great day.